So guys, we're shopping around and I literally see a shirt that explains PK's life. Loser and lover at the same time.
One-sided.
Huh?
One-sided. You're not gonna get it.
One-sided?
Okay,
oh, it's like one-sided love.
This cannot go in the vlog.
Yes, it will.
This cannot go in the vlog.
It'll actually be the intro, man. Yo, I saw you after like 2 months and now you're like a chikni chameli. What's going on?
Chikni as in like good looking or?
Chikni as in like chilla vanda, clean shave.
Mistakes happen man. Naya vlog lagaya hai. YouTube pe go check it out. I don't know man. मुझे कहानी बताने दो. मैंने नई गाड़ी खरीदी है, महंगी गाड़ी. मैंने सोचा views चल रहे हैं YouTube पे, अच्छा सब कुछ चल रहा है. भैंस की तुम पिछली 3 वीडियोस फ्लॉप जा रही हैं. पता नहीं मैं किस तरह पे करूंगा उस गाड़ी के लिए.
What happened?
Basically what happened is my mom went to do a live interview और वो अम्मी को बताना भूल गए कि green नहीं कपड़े पहनने. So while she's doing the interview, she just camouflaged.
And auntie just looks like, I know exactly what's going on. Maybe she's looking at the monitor going like, where's the rest of my body? Okay, tell me something. Are you good at Jenga?
no, lekin if I win, you have to promote my vlog. मुझे कोई incentive चाहिए.
Okay, done. No, how about this? We play for the cars.
ये गाड़ी कौन सी? Mercedes. ये आजकल चल रही हैं ये भी. क्या नहीं है, इतना नहीं शेक हो.
नहीं.
Let's go baby, we got money. Guys, go watch the vlog. It's on my channel. सबसे पहली लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगी. ज़ैद अलीज़ न्यू vlog. ठीक है, तो आप लोग जाएं, वॉच करें. नई गाड़ी ली है, उसको चलाने के पैसे नहीं है.
Close your eyes.
Yo, chill.
Diggy, it's gone. It's gone.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
You said you're gonna trim it. Python. Yo, what the hell?
Let me see. No, let me see. So Zaid and I are finally making TikToks, and this is one of the most cringiest TikToks, but we have to do it. And
क्यों? क्या मतलब we have to do it? किस लिए?
3, 2, 1, go. यार एक्टिंग है यार, pretend करते हैं.
नहीं होता pretend. पीके शबीर के साथ करके दिखाओ. पीके के सामने डेमो दिखाओ. डेमो. पीके. एक सेकंड देखो, बात बता. मैं मर्द हूँ. You're the लड़की in this thing, right? मर्द में generally ज़्यादा ताकत होती है. मैं जब आ रहा हूँ ये इस तरह धूम करके अपना हाथ मारती है मुझे, जिस तरह भैंस ने मुझे छेड़ा जा रहा है इसमें.
Why are we going? मैं तुझे बोला तू मुझे उस तरफ लेकर जा यार.
मैं नहीं, ये मुझे आदत नहीं है इन चीजों की.
अच्छा हाँ. एक्टिंग क्या हो गया तुझे? तू ऊपर क्यों जा रहा है? नीचे आ.
हम बताऊँ. ये अभी रियल नहीं है ना.
So what is she doing?
Put your like arm here.
Okay.
Like there. Full force. अब ये टांग उठाओ.
ये
Raise that leg.
Raise that leg.
Raise the leg.
You can. Yeah.
Magic.
Okay, what am I doing?
अच्छा, इस टांग को उधर रखो.
ये वाली.
हाँ, शोल्डर को भी लगाओ. अब उस टांग को, ये वाली टांग को ऊपर करो. शबीर, अगर तूने ऊपर कर लिया ना, मैं अपना YouTube चैनल डिलीट कर दूंगा.
Introduce first.
Shoaib.
Introduce what you're doing.
He's gonna try his hardest punch in my stomach. Since I've been training my core for such a long time, he won't penetrate. Come from this side so you get a stronger hook.
What is he doing? You're gonna fuck up your shoulder. That's
no, that wasn't even hard, bro.
Rugo.
Looks like street. These punches are hard.
Yeah?
Yeah.
क्या खाता है भाई?
Ande. Ande
Yo, PK, you got a new phone?
Yeah.
If I make you flip your hand over without even touching your hand, your phone's mine, okay?
Too much English.
अगर मैं तेरा हाथ टच किए बगैर तेरा हाथ उल्टा करवा दूं, तेरा फोन मेरा.
अच्छा.
Okay, put your hand out. No, the other way.
Okay guys, so Shahveer is gonna be driving the car right now. और अगर आपने इस गाड़ी के बारे में और देखना है तो मेरे चैनल पे वैसे व्लॉग है. अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रही कौन सी गाड़ी में बैठा हुआ है, नाम क्या है, ब्रांड क्या है, सब कुछ A to Z बताया है मेरे चैनल पे जाएं.
What is the best thing about this?
The best thing is that it's quiet.
सुना बहुत है कि बहुत तेज भागती है, नहीं?
नहीं ये slow है.
बहुत तेज.
नहीं. नहीं ना कर शहवीर ना करना.
You wanna give a quick thumbnail, Zaid? 3, 2, 1, go.
और क्या करूं thumbnail के लिए? बस. मुझे पता भी.
I kid you not, I'm trying to look for PK for the last like 25 minutes. इसी बिल्डिंग में कहीं पे है, ऐसा मुझे बोला, लेकिन I can't even find where his office is. Where's your office, man? Shahveer नजर आ रहा है, Shahveer. Yeah. Mr. Pags promo. अच्छा एक बात बता दे, इतना छुप के ऑफिस क्यों बनाया हुआ है? क्या दुनिया वालों को बताना नहीं? छुप के ऑफिस क्या है? It's right with. अच्छा नहीं, ये नहीं बता सकती क्या? लेकिन बताओ इतना छुप के क्यों बनाया हुआ है? क्या लोगों को बताना नहीं चाहते कि हम काम भी कर सकते हैं?
You've been at the office before. I don't know why you acted like you've never been to this office.
No, I'm just trying to give you a shout out.
No man, people are gonna call.
Yo, PK, I'm gonna give your dad's business a shout out. Yo, don't man. People are gonna call, business increase हो जाएगा, अमीर हो जाएगा, मुझे घर से निकाल. Okay, so did you take a shit?
No.
It's been 2 days.
Let me explain what is happening. My friend PK finished a large pizza all by himself literally 2 days ago, and he hadn't had anything to eat ever since. So I was wondering if he even went to the washroom after that meal, which was a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
PK, you haven't shat for 2 days.
नहीं वही उसी रात किया था यार.
पूरा तूने large pizza खत्म किया था, तूने तेरे अब तक निकला नहीं.
That same night.
In my house?
Yeah.
Oh. No wonder.
कौन सा washroom?
No. हमारा पूरा system clog हुआ है.
So PK and I are walking, and I'm like, यार बेल बजा के भागे. PK क्या कहता है?
मेरी पैंट गिर जाएगी. Loose है.
How loose is it?
Like quite loose.
PK आजा पार्क के बच्चों को नज़ारे दिखाते हैं.
I tell you, call me, okay, if you're coming. Okay, if you're listening, Shahveer is the worst texter, caller, everything. He doesn't reply back to anyone, right? Do you agree?
नहीं मेरे साथ ऐसा.
And you're the worst driver. Actually, I'm the worst driver. Here.
Alright, here's the challenge. Whoever gets a Mentos inside of the Coke bottle, the other person has to go and stop the flow from their mouth, okay? Good luck, gentlemen.
We're live. Welcome back to the season 2 of Honest Hour with Shahveer Jafry. Almost 2 o'clock, so you're kind of like 3 hours late for this podcast. Is this how we're going to be experiencing this?
Stop complaining,
pain
Sunny.
No. As a viewer, even though I don't watch you, our parents watch you, and as a viewer for them, I feel bad for them. That is this what we're going to be experiencing as a nation?
What are you
watching
talking
you
about?
being late every time. You haven't even uploaded a single vlog for the past month, and you just uploaded 2 vlogs. Okay? And you know what's crazy? All those vlogs, all the footage in the vlogs is just mixed up footage that you uploaded. Don't lie to me, because you told me that yourself. And you just put in random footage in the vlog. Is this what we're going to be experiencing from you, Mr. Shahveer Jafry?
You know, the funny thing is we're a family, right?
Yeah.
There's some things that should stay, inside of like a little group that we have.
You know what's crazy? We tried that, but our mother, beautiful mother, lets everything out. So
तेरी गाड़ी देख के पता दिल क्या करता है. हट.
और तेरी गाड़ी देख के मेरा पता नहीं क्या दिल करता है।
क्या दिल करता है?